Hey everyone, if you're here, you've got to be a car, truck, and motorcycle fanatic like me. You're probably wondering, who's this bald guy and why am I watching him? I'm Eddie Barrett, and like you, I'm obsessed with custom cars, trucks, and motorcycles. I've devoted almost 30 years of my life. That's like scary. When I say that, I feel old. 30 years is a long time. I've met a lot of cool people. And what I do is I actually build custom parts, accessories, and vehicles for people all over the world. I started this YouTube channel to kind of show you some of our life, our world, what we do in the custom car world, from making parts, designing parts, and making custom vehicles. For me, it's really cool. It's a passion. Obviously, you don't devote this much time of your life to do something if you're not passionate about it. So one thing I found out is by doing these videos on YouTube, I actually feel they're kind of cool. Originally, we started doing them so that people could actually see on our websites videos, and we kind of use them just as a hosting platform. Now, what I love about it is actually, it's almost like having a magazine or a subscription where you could actually go back on YouTube and look at the videos, and all these videos are archived from all these cool people that you might be interested. So if you go to YouTube and if you don't have a YouTube account, go there, set one up. If you do have a YouTube account, make sure you go and subscribe to our channel, because every time you hit your subscription button, you're actually going to be able to see all the people you're subscribed to. It's like having a TV channel, and then you can click on that and see what we did. Now, if you click the bell will actually notify you every time we make a video, and then you can say, hey, let me see what they did, and they're there. And then if you click the like button will actually shows YouTube that you like our stuff, and hopefully they're going to promote it. And if they do promote it, it's helping us to promote our industry. Everything we're doing with Atomic Autoworks is to show how cool people are in it, how awesome it is,